Good morning, everyone. Let's go market. It's Thursday morning. Let's go early. The one we bought the last time, they both good. Yeah, I did not cut a lot at the tip because it was good. Yeah. This one, do you still like? Just little. This is 2 mornings. Simple kind. One.
Switch it up.
Yeah. Let's do it like that. Okay. Kakagaling lang ng market, guys. Just checking my pumpkin. There, really growing. I will not water today since yesterday it rained really hard. And then the utong really growing there. Okay. Oh, hot. Hi everyone! Andito na naman tayo sa kusina, and for today, I will prepare lunch. So this will be lunch for maybe tomorrow. I have here peeled cucumber or yung ating pipino sa Philippines, peeled daikon, and then peeled carrot. So I will slice this. Ayan, matatapos na yung pag-cut ng carrot. So, eto siya. Lagay natin dyan. Next. Eto yung daikon. Ano ba ang sa ating sa Philippines ang daikon? Malapit nang mahiwa lahat yung daikon or radish. Ayan, tapos na. At eto na nga, malapit nang matapos yung cucumber. So I'm done. This is the carrot, daikon, and cucumber. Next, I will be making the sauce kung saan ibababad natin. Next, meron ako ditong water. So, between low heat to medium heat lang yung aking stove. Maglalagay ako ng sugar. Mix natin para mag-melt yung sugar. Susunod, ito ay white vinegar. Another one, white vinegar pa din. At konting asin to balance the sourness and sweetness. Yan, so mix lang. Medyo mainit yung tubig pero hindi siya kumukulo. Okay, so I will turn off the stove and let this cool for a few minutes. Susunod, ilagay natin yung carrots sa isang clean jar. Don't worry, my hand is clean. I always wash it. Syempre naman, tayo ang kakain, so make sure it's clean. Okay, so ready. Next, another clean jar. My hand is clean. Ilagay natin sa loob na ganyan. Habang pinapalamig po natin yung syrup, yung ginawa kanina, ilagay na natin, ready na natin yung mga kailangan nating ipipickled. Kaya yan. Ayan siya, oh. Okay, cucumber. Next, eto na yung daikon. Kasya ba? Siyempre kasya yan. Okay. So, ayan. Okay, eto na sila. Inaantay na lang natin na mag-cool down yung ginawa nating syrup. Okay, so to continue, eto na yung cooled down na syrup. So, ilagay na natin. Simple lang, lagay natin na ganyan. Oops. Enough to cover all the daikon. So, next, eto yung cucumber. Naaamoy ko ang bango ng syrup. Yan. Next, yung carrot. Mas mabuti na yung ganito kesa bumili. Mas makakatipid kayo guys kapag kayo ang gumawa. Okay. Ayan siya. So, cover lang natin. Very tight. Ganyan siya. Okay. So, see you in the next 2 days when we make our lunches, our sandwich. So, this is the fried thin sliced pork barbecue. Siyempre, homemade yan. And then, fresh cilantro. This will give a good taste to the sandwich. And then, from yesterday, yung ginawa ko na pickled carrot. Yan na siya. Meron ding a pickled cucumber, pipino. And the pickled daikon. Ayan, mukha silang masarap. So now we are waiting for the bun. Okay, let's make lunch. So, yung aming French bread na toast sa oven. And then, lalagyan natin ng mayonnaise. Ayan. Susunod, yung fried pork barbecue. Homemade yan, kaya masarap. Damihan natin. Next, daikon. Daikon pickled. Ayan, second layer pa lang. Next, carrot. Saan ka pa? And then, cucumber. Ilang layer na yan. Hindi na siya mako-close. Not to forget the favorite, cilantro. Madaming cilantro. Homemade ala Vietnamese banh mi. At ngayon, gagawin natin dahan-dahan, di na siya ma-close. Oh, ito ang lunch. Gawa na din kayo. And if you wanna know how to make a homemade banh mi sandwich, scroll lang po kayo sa aking channel. Meron akong uploaded video on how to make banh mi, Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. Madali lang siya at healthy, delicious. Ayan. Let's eat. So, tikman natin. Oops. Good. Sarap.
First class.
Yan siya.
First class.
No need buy. Kayang-kayang gawin.